Road construction is an extensive process and it requires specialized vehicles. While some are simply just machines, others are quite extraordinary. Here are some of the most insane road construction vehicles used in the process. Cutter Asphalt Preservation. Cutter offers special machines for asphalt preservation. It is a preventive maintenance method that can significantly extend or even double the service life of asphalt pavements. Hot Mix Road Marking. This machine by Hot Mix, a Finnish company, is used for thermoplastic road markings. It can screed, extrude, or spray processed road paint onto the road surface to form durable coating lines. Pothole Patching. Potholes on roads are a menace, and this pothole patching machine is the answer. The Velocity Patcher forces air at high speed into potholes to clear them out, then the area is coated with cold bitumen to create a perfect seal. Petromat Fabric Installation. This is an asphalt paving machine. Petromat is used as a moisture barrier and stress-absorbing interlayer beneath asphalt. Infrared Asphalt Heater. Infrared asphalt patching is a simple technique used to repair road damage. The infrared process requires an infrared heater to warm the damaged asphalt to a malleable state, then new asphalt is added, and the two combine seamlessly. Boral Cement and Lime. Boral is an Australian company that offers a large range of cementitious materials. Their hydrated lime is commonly used in soil and road stabilization purposes. Hard Shoulder Milling Machine. This machine is used for clearing road shoulders. Thanks to heavy-duty milling cutter, it delivers deep cut at high feed rate. Road Marking Machine. Watching a road marking machine in action is quite fascinating. Next time you come across a road marking, you know how it's done. Which of these road construction vehicles you found most impressive?